So your love broke your heart to go with Stupid Jake, and Stupid Jake doesn't even love her. He's just using her, but now she doesn't even care for you. So today, I'm not only going to show you how to get a girl that's not even interested in you, I'm actually going to show you how to actually even turn her around and make her chase you. No, I'm not the coochie man. I'm the magic man. That's what we're doing today. Which takes us on to tip number 1. How you get a girl to get interested in you that's not interested in you? You don't. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. It's pretty simple. See you next time. Okay, I'm just kidding. I wanted you to get the point across that if you keep simping over her, you'll never get her. That's the reality. I could really leave this video right here, but I'm going to help you out. King, you need to understand that if she is not interested in you, keeping up with her on a daily basis on social media is just going to make you act and look like a desperate puppy. She has all of your attention and she knows it. But as soon as you pull all of that attention back, that is when you have higher chances of her running back to look for it, especially when Stupid Jakey breaks her heart again. Which takes us to number 2. Once you pull that attention, I need you to pursue perfection. But see, I don't want you to be that second option mentality because you're no second option, you're no rebound. This is exactly when you double down and drill down on your confidence to really show her how great you are, especially when she comes running back for that attention that she's seeking. So I want you to double down on yourself and just focus all your attention onto yourself. Go to the gym, hit better PRs, get stronger, get faster, get leaner, look better, look sexier, dress better, and groom the hell out of yourself so you can be a handsome, irresistible stud that when she wants that attention, she's going to have to work twice as hard for it because your stock price just went out the roof. You went GME. You went full GameStop on yourself. And I'm helping you do it. See, I'm not just showing you and telling you how to do these things. I'm literally in the lab cooking and formulating these tools to make you look better. This is why we created Manscaped, bro. We are changing how men look globally. Like, it is a movement at this point. You know, you and me know, like, Manscaped is a movement, and we are working to make sure every man levels themselves up and becomes that valuable stud. See, what we do with Manscaped, we grab rough diamonds, and we polish them. So you can be these high value men. This is what our perfect package does. It polishes you up so you can smell better, look better, and feel better. See, our perfect package, we called it the perfect package because with Manscaped, we created this kit where I believe every man in America should have in their bathroom that has what you need to make sure you're grooming yourself properly. It comes with the Lawnmower 3.0, which is water resistant, which allows you to manscape in the shower and not have to worry about it. It's also rechargeable. One charge, it can last you about a month. I rarely recharge my Lawnmower 3.0 because the battery is so large. It also has a 7,000 RPM motor, which means it's just gonna cut through anything. Doesn't matter how thick your pubic hair is, we got you covered. On top of that, it has a ceramic blade that's replaceable, not only to keep it hygienic, but also so it can stay sharp. We ship those out to you every 3 months. That way, once you buy one Lawnmower 3.0 trimmer, you'll never have to replace it again. Like, we got you covered for life. We got you covered. On top of that, we're gonna send you 2 grooming pieces. One is a body wash so you can smell great, and the other one's a ball deodorant so your boys can be sweat-free and smelling on point as well. Both of them are formulated with this masculine woody scent that when you step out the shower, you're going to see why now you're a high value man. And if that's not enough, we're going to throw in a free pair of boxers that cost $20 so you can just be a complete sexy stud. Like, you're just going to be irresistible at this point. If you guys want to check out that perfect package and level yourself up, raise that stock price up, click the link down below, go to Manscaped, check out that perfect package. As soon as you click that link, you're going to get a special 20% off just because you're part of this video. You're going to get free shipping, and you're going to get that free pair of boxers and a free dop kit that costs $40 on our site. We're going to send that for free as well. We're literally gifting you all of this to motivate you to level yourself up and stop investing so much time on that girl that's spending all the time that's not even giving you the attention that you want anymore. If you guys want to check out Manscaped, click that link down below. Which takes us to number 3, develop an emotional connection. You want to develop a sexual connection that doesn't even exist with her yet? You're going to have to connect with her on an emotional level so she can feel close to you. Almost like she needs you in her life. And to do this, it's easy. When you do start texting her again or talking to her in person, Ask deep questions. Don't keep it superficial. Ask the questions that will get that emotional connection. Like, what are your life goals? What are your likes and your interests? And then you tell her about your personal life goals and your life and your interests. That way you both can start connecting at a deeper emotional level, and that's when she's going to actually need and want you. Which takes us to number 4. Now that she actually needs and wants you, now that you've leveled yourself up, you make her work for you. You make her win you over. You see, you know how I always tell you that women are going to test you? You're going to do the same thing to her. So you're going to make her qualify herself to you, the same way women do this to us all the time. And the way to do this effectively is by every time you meet a woman, you gotta filter that woman through a list of criteria that you personally want. Doing this actively changes your mindset and the way you act into more of an abundance stance, and this is a high value feature that most high value men have. In other words, you're not focused or worried about just one girl. If she doesn't fit your criteria, on to the next one. So to qualify her, you can ask her a question. For example, let's say you're bantering back and forth and you guys are flirting a little bit. You can ask her a question like, so tell me 3 things about you that you think that I'll like. Something like that. Now you got her thinking like, oh man, I gotta impress this guy. It works like a charm. And now you've done all this. This girl's pretty much working her ass off for you. Number 5, build that sexual tension. See, at this point, you've already won. If you've gotten this far with this girl, you've won. She's already obsessed with you and thinking about you more and more and more. But if you want to knock it out the ballpark, if you want to seal that deal, you got to get that sexual connection. Easiest way to do that, break that touch barrier. See, that's the type of sexual connection where when you're both in the room, it's almost like you can both feel what you both want. It's like you can feel it. To do that, you got to touch her. You got to break that. Once you do, her mind's going to be going a million miles a minute, and it's all thinking about you. And Jakey's gone. I don't even know if she remembers his name at this point because you got her so obsessed with you. Again, and when you do touch her, it could be something simple like touching her leg or touching her arm or something very minimal. Or if you're very bold, you can go and like brush your hair behind her ear gently as you guys are talking. Bro. Kings, you've won. You've made it this far. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our brand Manscaped. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.